Hey everyone, today is day 2 with the She Sent It oil and gel pudding as a replacement for Eco Styler, and I'm actually really feeling these results.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha, aka Naturally IE, and thanks for tuning in with me. Today I am getting into a new product, or 2 new products really, to my stash. I've had them for almost a month now and I'm super excited to finally get to use them. But first, we are doing a wash and go today, so if that's what you're into, make sure that you stick around. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that red button right down there, and make sure that you subscribe to all the new content that I have coming out. Okay, moving on. So for my wash, I'm not going to show you that, guys, how I wash and condition, just because I do it all of the time, but just so you guys know, I'm going to be like washing my hair with actual shampoo. This is the As I Am Long and Luxe strengthening shampoo, and I'm going to condition it with the matching conditioner. I almost never do this, but I'm washing out Eco Styler. It's been for a very long time. I'll show you guys in just a second, and it needs to get like washed. So we're going to do that, and then I will show you guys what we're working with. Now I'm featuring today the She Sent It line. This is their new pomegranate pear line. And this is the restorative repair mask, and then I will use their hydrating curl spray, and lastly, to style, which is supposed to be like a gel, is their oil and gel pudding. And I am looking for alternatives to Eco Styler. This is my first time using this product and I love this brand, so I'm hoping that this is everything. Alright, so let me go wash my hair, or let me show you guys what I've got. So like I said, this is an 8-day-old like wash and go. So I could probably still rock this for like another day or so, but it is so done. It is so dry. I mean, so like you see, like I could keep wearing it, but it's time to wash this bad boy out. All right, so let me go wash and condition, and I'll meet you guys right back here when it's time to deep condition. Whew. Okay. All right. Hair is nice and clean, and now we're gonna move right on to this pomegranate pear restorative hair mask. And it's basically just a nourishing hair mask, and you put it on. I'm gonna put it on for about 20 minutes with some heat, maybe like 10 minutes because I'm gonna be running late, with some heat. And I've used it before. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have used it before, and I do enjoy it. Is it my favorite by She Sent It? Probably not, but I've also only used it just a little bit. So I'm gonna apply it and go deep condition. Oh, by the way, price point, if you guys are wondering, I live in New York, and this I got for $14.99, so 15 bucks for this, and I'll probably get like 4 or 5 deep conditions out of this. Not bad. All right, let's get to it. So I'm gonna go sit under my heating cap for about 10 minutes or so, and I'll be right back to style. So, and 15, 20 minutes later, I'm all deconditioned out, and I just want to get into a little particulars on the products before we actually get into it, because I'm going to do a lot of stuff all at once. So first we have this hydrating curl spray. First off, $15 for this. That's like a clean linen-y type of smell. I guess to be more pear than it is pomegranate. I don't really smell pomegranate in there. And then the oil in gel hair pudding, which is supposed to be a no crunch styling gel. Same type of light linen type of smell. Very clean, nothing crazy, which I appreciate. I don't want to be smelling like Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Like, that's just too much fragrance. Like, this is like light and fresh, which is good. Oh, and the gel I purchased for, this is actually $14, so this is actually a little bit cheaper. I haven't used either one, so this is a total first impressions type of video. I'm already not a fan of spray bottles like this, so that means I'll probably be transferring this, which looks rather liquidy, which is good, into another container. Just, that's my personal preference. I just don't like spritzing things onto my hair. I feel like this finger is like dead at the end. And I purchased all these products at my local beauty supply store, but I know that you can also order them from SheSentIt.com off of their own website. And oh, just in case you didn't want to see what it looked like after, like I said, I don't think this is my favorite deep conditioner, but I bought it, so I use it. Okay. So here we are. Curls feel okay. Again, as I've been saying it, I knew that this wasn't like the deep conditioner for me. And that's just because I don't think it's moisturizing enough. It's not heavy enough. But that's just me. Moving on. That doesn't mean to say that I'm like concerned for the rest of the products that I'm about to use, because I normally do like SheSentIt. It's just that this one, oh crap, isn't the best. So let me just do this real quick. And I think it's super important to section off hair, because it's just a lot of hair to deal with, to manage, and this way you can you have better control over what you're doing. So let's get right into the new products. I'm starting off with the curling spray, which is said to be a leave-in. The oil and gel pudding, which is what I'm really trying, just says to apply to damp hair, twist, braid, scrunch, twirl, or curl. But I'm not sure this is moisturizing enough on its own, and I probably should just do it by itself because it is my first time using it. But I'm a skeptic at heart, so I'm gonna put a leave-in underneath it. Alright, so this came out very light, very misty. You guys can see that. And wow, it's actually more moisturizing than I thought, and I actually feel like I could mist. The issue is that sometimes I feel like these mists are way too light. This actually has good coverage. Smells really good. It really does smell like clean, fresh linen, floral. I would not say pomegranate or pear, but it smells good. I'm just gonna comb it through. My hair is also pretty wet still, so I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the ends. I don't want the ends to dry out. they definitely need a trim as well. So there's that. Okay. Now for the pudding. So just so you guys can see what it looks like coming out. It's like a gel. It's not going anywhere. Oh, of course, as I said something, that's when it goes. But you can tell it's very gel-esque. Let's see what it does. Ooh. It's like almost slimy. And it's said to give very soft, it's supposed to give soft, crunchless curls. So I automatically know that I'm not going to be going for what I was getting with Eco Styler. Like, I shouldn't be able to expect like 8-day curls with this. But we'll see. Okay. Okay. Alright, so we are seeing some really nice definition actually. You guys can see that. Wow, I'm actually pretty impressed already. Like, these are curls that I would expect from Eco Styler. So let me go ahead and finish my head and I'll come back to you after I'm doing the front and we'll talk then. So I have the majority done except for this little front piece here. So I'm just going to show you how I did the entire head. And it's a little bit frizzier already than I would have with Eco Styler, and I can tell that it's definitely going to be softer. Like, this is not going to last 4 days. I would be really surprised if it did, but that's okay. I don't mind washing my hair more frequently. And it doesn't cause cancer. Win. So, this is just what I do. I realize that I still don't really like this type of spray, so again, it is just easier for me to just get like that much. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's really not that much. I know it looked like a lot of crazy spraying, but it wasn't. And then what the spray actually is good for is getting down like in the roots. So, I just lost my t-shirt. It's fine. Okay, and I'll finger detangle a little bit. I know it's pretty detangled already. Just like I've been detangling it throughout the whole wash process, and so I'll just, oh no, just go in and comb gently. And to fix this one that I just pulled out, I'll just go in with like a little bit of gel and just define it again. So, but see, it really wasn't that defined to begin with because this gel isn't really like that. It's a soft hold, and they warn you of that from the jump, so have to learn to accept it. So I'm going with like the same amount of gel that I would use with like the same amount of product that I would use with Eco Styler, and that's what I start with. And I use the same like relaxer type method and just start from the roots, work my way up. Smoothing is probably the most important because that's what allows the definition to really, really come through. You don't want it to be clumpy because then it's not going to look right. You want it to be sleek. Sleek. So if I were to leave it as is, it would be like a big clump of curls, and not cute like individual curls. So wow, I am actually really impressed with these products right now. I feel like it's pretty good. I'm not complaining. So I will just clean up my mess here and I'll let my hair dry. Actually, then I gotta go to work and I'll let you guys know how it turns out. All right, see you then.
Hey everyone, today is day 2 with the She Sent It oil and gel pudding as a replacement for Eco Styler, and I'm actually really feeling these results. I have so much volume. I don't know if I can get the back. So definition is pretty good. It's a little bit fluffier, a little bit frizzier than I'm used to, but I'll work if I'm not getting cancer. Yes, I will. Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in with me, Naturally AE, and until next time guys, stay blessed and unstressed.